Mrs. Billick is constantly saying, open up a new tab. You're on the meet link twice. Or stay in the meet link and open up a new tab. And so many times I have you staring at me blankly. What does she mean? Watch carefully. Up here at the top of your screen are these little indents that go up. Those are tabs. If you had folders, real life folders, they would have little tabs at the top with labels that said what they were. That's what's on your screen. So one of my tabs says Mrs. Billick's class of 2031 because that's what's on this one. Behind it is the how to use your waffle that you guys should be on right now. If I click on it, it comes up front. And if I click on this tab, this is the Talking Points app that I use to contact your parents. But over here is a plus sign because that's an empty tab that you haven't opened yet. So that's what you're supposed to click on when Miss Billick says, stay on the meet link, but open up a new tab. So right now, wherever you are, stay on it and go up and click on that plus sign. And guess what it says? New tab. That's what it says. Now you do it.